Hello all, welcome to oratrainings.com. In this session, we'll discuss about how do we test an integration which was designed using OIC using the testing tools like Postman or SOAPUI. Let's see the agenda or steps involved. The prerequisite for this one is assuming that you have an integration. In our case, we are considering a integration called GreetMe, which was designed in our previous session. And I'm using two testing tools. One is Postman, which is having a browser-based as well as desktop app-based availability, and a SOAPUI, which is a desktop-based application, and they are free for download, and you can observe the websites which are mentioned here. Now, how do we do it, right? So these are the steps involved, just two steps. The first one is you need to get the endpoint metadata of the integration from the OIC, and you have to copy the URI, and then if you're using Postman, you have a navigation like just open the Postman, click on workspace, click on collection, and then you enter your particular integration URL. Similarly, and from the SOAPUI perspective, click on SOAPUI, REST project, mention the REST URL. That's it. So now let us see the screens here. Now, assume that you have an integration called GreetMe. Click on this particular three icons or three dots, click on run, and you have a button called endpoint metadata. Click on endpoint metadata. It shows the endpoint URL. You copy that particular URL. That is what your REST URL, which we have to use it in our using test for the testing tool purpose, right? Now, once you got that one, what you can do is, as I said, you can open the Postman, and it is available in both the desktop version as well as browser-based version. And here the screen which I'm showing is a browser-based version, and you just need to click on workspaces, collections. You mention a collection name, then you create a request. That request, you need to mention what's your request type, mention the URI, mention the appropriate parameter values, and also mention the credentials which is required. And then you can just click on send. Once you click on send, you'll get a response in the below and the appropriate format. And here you can see the information here. Welcome to the world of integration to Krishna. So we have provided the input called Krishna, and we got the response like this. And you can see the status 200. Okay. Similarly, if you're using a SOAPUI, how do we do it? Open your SOAPUI. You have to click on REST, this button. Once you click on REST button, you have to mention the URI, mention the credentials, mention the parameters, right? So we'll see all these things one by one. So I'll just go to the integration. So let's say I'll just navigate once. So I'm here in the integration page. I'll click on these three icons and click on run. Click on endpoint metadata. It shows the endpoint URL. Okay. So this is a URL which we have to mention, which we have to use in the tools, testing tools, whichever testing tools which are using. Let's say I would like to run it. I'll just say enter the username called Krishna. Click on run. Let's see what will happen. Let's see the final response. You can see the greeting message. Welcome to World Krishna, right? Now, let us try to open the Postman, right? So let's say I'll go to the website. Okay. I open the Postman. If it is asking for your username to sign up, just perform a sign up, right? And here click on workspace. And now I'll just create a workspace here. Mention the workspace name, OIC, workspace test. Now, once the workspace is created, you can see the workspace. In the workspace, we'll create a collection. And I'll just click on this new here. And it is asking what is the request type. I'll just go with the first one, which is called HTTP request. And we have to mention what is our request type. So in our case, it is GET. And we have to copy the URI, which we got it from our REST endpoint from OIC, mention that. And automatically the parameter got populated. And the other important property is this is the this particular REST URI, which we got it from OIC, requires an authorization based on the basic authentication. So I have to mention the credentials here, username, password. Let's say I'll try to get it from my, I have to mention that. And now the parameters, yeah, mention the parameter value. I'll just mention Radha, click on send. Now let's see what will it display. Perfect. So it is displaying a response, and you can see the preview in appropriate format, and you can visualize in appropriate format, different formats it supports. Yeah, I'll just go with the default JSON. Okay. Now this is how we can use the Postman for invoking the integration. Similarly, let us try to use our SOAP UI to get that. So assume that you have opened a SOAP UI, then how do we use it? So SOAP UI supports invocation of a SOAP web service as well as REST web service. And also, of course, the Postman also supports invocation of a REST web service as well as SOAP web service also. Okay. Now I'll just click on REST, and whenever you click on REST project, it is simply asking what is the URL of your REST web service. I'll just copy this and mention this one. It will just try to validate. And now same thing, it requires a parameter, it requires authorization, similar thing. So click on authentication or authorization. So we'll go with a basic authentication. And now we know whenever you click on a basic authentication, it requires a username, password. So I'll just mention this appropriate one. And now, yeah, and what is the other one? You require a parameter, right? This is a parameter which got added up automatically. And I'll just mention Sita. And then here the method type is get. So I have to go with get. And I just need to click on this green color icon, and let's see what will happen. All right. Welcome to the world of integration to Sita. Right. I'll try another user, Scott. Try to run it. We should able to see the latest response. Welcome to the world of integration, Scott. So now this particular integration testing tools helps the developers to validate the integration, isn't it? We just want to understand how it is working, what is the response it is providing, what is the input it is taking, whether it is providing a proper response as per the design or not. So not only the developers, even the initial testing purpose, right, for the other team members or the functional consultant or the other users of, your particular integration, let us say it is in demo phase and you want to get it validated by the functional users or business users, these testing tools helps a lot. And you can also run this integrations, use these particular testing tools to iterate your integration for the load balancing scenario also, right? But anyways, so in our case, the requirement is to validate how can we test our integration using these testing tools. We have seen the scenarios using the Postman as well as SOAP UI. Thank you.